AI-generated avatars and digital clones are reshaping the fashion industry, with virtual models increasingly used in advertising campaigns, according to Cypress Mail and the Business of Fashion. These avatars mirror real models and influence a $2.5 trillion industry. In platforms like Roblox, users glamorize their avatars with fashion items, as noted in Times of India. Rolling Out highlights how influencers treat their avatars' appearances as meticulously as they do their physical styling. Meanwhile, Apple Vision Pro's VisionOS 26 has significantly improved the realism of its personas 3D avatars that replicate users' appearances for immersive communication. These updates are discussed in sources like Wired, CNET, and TechRadar. Meta has also integrated generative AI avatars into Instagram and Facebook for advertising, per CNET. In the esports sector, avatar-based customization and rewards are highlighted in esports.gg and Notisphere updates. Digital avatars and VR are playing a growing role in telehealth and remote rehabilitation. FarmyWeb.com notes that avatars and virtual reality programs are being used to enhance post-pandemic telemedicine, particularly in cardiovascular and rehabilitation applications. Meanwhile, 404 Media and the Consumer Federation of America report that AI avatars from Meta and Character AI are involved in allegedly unlicensed medical interactions, raising significant ethical and regulatory concerns. Virtual companions and AI-based personal assistants are becoming more prevalent. Weboy.com describes Yuki, the first grounded AI companion by Drival, which uses real-life data to deliver contextually aware interactions. Hacker Noon discusses the emotional distress users may experience from AI companions, underscoring the psychological complexities of forming bonds with synthetic entities. Microsoft's Copilot for Windows is positioned as an AI companion, functioning as both a productivity tool and personal assistant. Virtual beings are entering theater and cinematic experiences. Nerdist and Yahoo report on an immersive theater version of The Phantom of the Opera, which integrates R/VR technology for audience engagement. CBS Los Angeles also launched a new R/VR studio to deliver immersive storytelling, TVNews Check, The Desk. Apple's integration of digital personas in VisionOS 26 is being used to explore immersive 3D storytelling and memory recreation, CNET. In music and performance, Unreal Engine's MetaHuman technology, referenced in GamesIndustry.biz and Keen Gamer, supports the creation of photorealistic virtual performers. Games like My Neighbor Alice are blending blockchain and avatars by introducing players as eggs that hatch into NFT-linked characters, Pine2. Platforms such as Fortnite are expanding AI-based character creation using the UEFN persona device, allowing player NPC interactions powered by AI dialogue systems, VentureBeat, Yahoo Tech, Analytics Insight. Outfit 7 continues to develop avatar-driven titles with My Talking Tom Friends 2, a virtual pet simulation, Pocket Gamer. Blockchain-based virtual pet ecosystems like Daiko's Petaverse game offer gamified care routines for real-world pets. AI avatars are being employed in corporate communication. YourStory.com reports on the use of generative AI avatars in business settings to deliver clear, concise messages. DCU Business School outlines how avatars, integrated with artificial intelligence, support e-commerce by offering multilingual customer interaction without fatigue. In XR collaboration, Pico XR is highlighted by XR Today for its enterprise-focused full avatar embodiment and remote training use cases. The rise of synthetic identities, including digital personas and avatars, is prompting new security and ethical challenges. Globe Newswire and KTLA report a sharp increase in deepfake-enabled synthetic identity fraud. Apple's advanced digital personas are showcased in Tom's Guide and TechRadar, with new levels of realism used for immersive communication in VisionOS 26. These virtual selves are part of a growing conversation around the authenticity, control, and rights associated with digital likenesses. Onique and Soul Machines are identified by Presswire as major players in the expanding digital human avatar market. These companies create emotionally responsive virtual humans used in customer service, education, and healthcare. Meanwhile, XR Today features ByteDance's Pico XR as a prominent extended reality company offering enterprise avatars. NVIDIA's Omniverse is also highlighted for supporting avatar-based simulations in digital twin applications, particularly in industrial settings. AI-based storytelling is becoming more interactive. Unreal Engine's Fortnite tools now allow creators to generate AI-powered characters that interact with players, as described in VentureBeat. Story platforms like Othelia Technologies, recently expanded to the US, offer tools for narrative design featuring synthetic characters, as reported in The Hollywood Reporter and Variety. Additionally, Persian has developed a narrative intelligence platform that may support synthetic storytellers through semantic signature technology. Reports from 404 Media and the Consumer Federation of America emphasize ongoing ethical concerns about AI avatars simulating therapists and engaging in unlicensed medical advice. The Federal Trade Commission is reportedly evaluating such cases. These raise critical issues about the responsibilities of companies like Meta and Character AI when synthetic beings are used in sensitive personal domains. In the fashion industry, digital clones and AI-generated models are increasingly utilized for advertising and marketing purposes. Brands like H&M have announced initiatives to create digital twins of models using artificial intelligence, aiming to revolutionize marketing strategies while raising questions about the future of modeling and the creative workforce. These AI-driven models serve as digital replicas of real people, primarily used for content creation, advertising, and social media campaigns, offering brands a means to maintain visual consistency and reduce production costs. Klarna, a Swedish fintech company, has implemented an AI clone of its CEO, Sebastian Siemiatkowski, to report earnings and interact with customers via an AI-powered phone hotline. This virtual assistant, accessible in the US and Sweden, aims to improve customer support and share insights into the company's approach to artificial intelligence. Mattel has partnered with OpenAI to incorporate artificial intelligence into its products, planning to launch its first AI-powered toy before the end of the year. This collaboration aims to create innovative, AI-powered products and experiences for children, emphasizing innovation, privacy, and safety tailored for children. Li.io offers an AI-powered video creation platform that enables users to generate professional, customizable videos from text, featuring lifelike digital avatars. This tool is designed to save time and effort, automating the video production process and making it accessible for content creators without advanced technical or design skills. Ready Player Me provides an avatar API that serves as an interoperability layer, improving avatar performance and integration flexibility for virtual worlds, apps, and games. Developers can retrieve 3D avatars and 2D renders along with their metadata, facilitating the creation of personalized avatars across various platforms. DeepSeek Unity is an unofficial Unity package that allows developers to integrate DeepSeek AI's language models into Unity projects. This integration enables the creation of intelligent digital humans with capabilities such as text and voice interaction, as well as lip-syncing features, enhancing the realism and interactivity of non-player characters, NPCs, in games. NVIDIA is expanding its Omniverse blueprint for AI factory digital twins, featuring enhanced capabilities and deeper integrations across power, cooling, and networking ecosystems. This initiative aims to build, deploy, and connect to AI factories, facilitating the manufacturing of digital intelligence at scale. CrewTrim, an AI startup co-founded by Ola's founder Bhavish Agarwal, has launched Crudy, an AI assistant designed to proactively carry out tasks such as cab booking, food ordering, bill payments, image generation, and research. Crudy supports both voice and text input, retains conversational context, and adjusts responses based on user preferences, aiming to provide context-aware support with minimal input. The integration of AI-generated models in fashion advertising has sparked discussions about the ethical implications, including concerns about consent, compensation, and the potential displacement of human models. While some industry figures view digital twins as a means to give models more control and income, others stress the need for regulation and transparency to protect creative professionals. A Brazilian AI-generated talk show has become a viral sensation, drawing millions of views on social media. The program's virtual hosts, entirely created by generative AI, are noted for their unprecedented realism, leading to speculation about AI's future role in global entertainment awards like Brazil's equivalent of the Golden Bell Awards. In another entertainment-related development, the popular Chinese influencer Luo Yonghao is launching a digital human version of himself for live-streamed e-commerce on Baidu's platform. The digital Luo is enabled by Baidu's high-conviction digital human technologies, marking a new phase in the integration of top-tier IPs with AI for interactive retail experiences. Luo emphasizes product authenticity, urging viewers to act as human lie detectors for the digital version. Luo Yonghao's digital human is slated to debut on June 15 via Baidu e-commerce, with previous previews garnering over 10 million viewers and GMV exceeding 50 million yuan in a single session. This rollout exemplifies an AI plus influencer model where realism and user trust are paramount. The application of digital humans in livestream commerce also raised regulatory concerns, as seen in the Meow Meow incident where a digital host was manipulated via text commands to exhibit erratic behavior, highlighting gaps in legal and technical safeguards for AI characters used in commerce. At the Digital Human Expo 2025 held in Makuhari, Japan, Ultra Social Company Limited showcased cutting-edge digital humans developed using generative AI and real-time dialogue systems. These are tailored for next-generation customer service and guidance applications in physical venues, demonstrating how AI-powered virtual agents can provide live, naturalistic support in enterprise settings. Similarly, in China's Heilongjiang province, the Pingfang district government has implemented a digital human named Pingping in its administrative service center, representing a growing municipal adoption of virtual beings for efficient public-facing services. Virtual humans are becoming influential in fintech and stock markets. Hengyan Technology and Chuanwang Media both experienced stock surges attributed to their affiliations with virtual digital human and AI-generated content concepts. This trend indicates that investor interest is being strongly influenced by companies positioning themselves as leaders in virtual human development and application, particularly in areas combining AI, media, and financial innovation. A landmark legal case in China involving a Chunichi Nin, a term for the real person behind a virtual character, addressed issues of service contract violations and value loss related to a virtual identity. The case established a precedent by assessing damages based on the continuity of identity between the avatar and the human operator, highlighting emerging legal complexities surrounding digital beings. In a related instance, a man in the U.S. used a künstliche Intelligenz avatar to represent him in court, rather than a live lawyer, drawing attention to the ethical and procedural implications of avatars in legal proceedings. The character Labubu, a virtual creature from Monster Forest, has gained global popularity by embracing a borderless aesthetic that breaks from traditional East Asian cultural motifs. Unlike culturally specific digital exports, Labubu's universal visual appeal is contributing to its success in international markets, showing how virtual beings can serve as transnational cultural icons. Analysis of virtual streamer development also points to challenges in emotional realism. Slight mismatches in facial expressions or vocal intonation can trigger discomfort among viewers due to the uncanny valley effect, underscoring the need for continual refinement in avatar presentation to align with human perception. In Construction and Effectiveness Analysis of a Virtual YouTuber Innovation and Entrepreneurship course based on effectuation theory, CC Chung, Sven Shea, and Sven Yu developed a course focused on cultivating VTuber, virtual YouTuber, skills among students at technical universities. The curriculum integrates effectuation theory to enhance both entrepreneurial thinking and virtual persona creation capabilities. The course design emphasizes the use of real-time animation, voice modulation, and audience engagement strategies to enable students to operate as effective virtual entertainers. It serves as a structured case study for combining digital avatar technology with educational entrepreneurship training. Multiple studies examine the role of virtual beings in digital marketing. In Role of AI-Generated Celebrity and AI in Changing Consumer Buying, D. Tyagi and M. Agarwal investigate how AI-generated celebrities, synthetic characters created by algorithms, interact with consumer behavior. These virtual personas, often used as influencers or endorsers, are integrated into advertising strategies alongside recommendation engines and virtual assistants to influence decision-making. Kay Ferris's paper An Impossible Task, Enforcing Disclosure Requirements, in a multi-billion-dollar industry calls attention to the regulatory challenges of managing endorsements by virtual influencers, emphasizing that such synthetic entities can be used to post deceptive content such as fake reviews or hidden advertisements, prompting a need for clearer definitions and enforcement strategies under current advertising law. Similarly, the framework by A.T. Rosario and R.N. Cruz in Ethical Practices in Digital Transformation includes the study by Angmo and Mahajan on virtual influencers, highlighting their growing impact on consumer authenticity expectations and the importance of ethical oversight. Further, in Influencer Scale and Marketing, R. Sivakami and P. Topakal for focused research into how virtual influencers, as opposed to human ones, affect engagement, trust, and perceived authenticity. The article suggests expanding metrics for relatability and effectiveness to better gauge AI-generated figures in marketing campaigns. In a related comparative study titled The Impact of Service Agent Type on Satisfaction in Green Purchasing, S. Choi and Y. Yi assess AI service agents, including those with human-like digital appearances, in environmental product contexts. Their findings underline differing consumer reactions to AI versus human agents in promoting sustainable consumption, signaling a role for digital humans in green marketing initiatives. In Innovating the Experience Economy, M. Garaus et al. Propose a model in which artificial intelligence, augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, converge to shape customer experiences. Virtual humans and avatars are implied within this experiential design, especially where immersive, AI-driven interfaces mediate brand interaction. Though not the primary focus, the framework situates virtual beings as key components in redefining emotional and experiential connections with consumers, suggesting commercial applications in sectors ranging from hospitality to entertainment. Across these studies, a recurring concern is the regulation, authenticity, and ethical deployment of virtual beings in public-facing roles. The papers by Ferris, Rosario, and Sivakami, among others, converge on the issue of disclosing synthetic identity and intent, as well as the need for legal frameworks that can accommodate the evolving complexity of AI-generated influencers. These concerns align with the broader trajectory of digital transformation, where human-computer interaction is increasingly blurred by the presence of highly realistic digital humans in roles traditionally occupied by real people.